All right, continuing on, we are working on Lesson 4 in Jasper Active Word, and we are on Learn 5, working with document backgrounds. So I'm going to click on Practice as I've already done this Learn, and I'm going to open up my Jasper Active program and my Microsoft Word program. I'm going to unmark these as answered so mine will look like yours. Again, this is only for clerical reasons. It does not affect whether you get it right or wrong. All right, now the first one says, with the new adventures approved document open, click the Design tab, and in the page background group, click Watermark and then click Custom Watermark. So this is my new adventures approved document. I've got that open. I'm going to click the Design tab, and in the page background group, so this is my page background group, I'm going to click Watermark and then Custom Watermark. Then here it says Text Watermark. I'm clicking Text Watermark, and in the text field, which this is the text field where it says ASAP, I'm going to make it internal use only. And that's not one of the options, so I'm actually going to type it in there. Internal use only. Then I'm going to click the arrow for the font field. So here, this is my drop-down arrow, and I'm going to choose Arial Black. They are in alphabetical order. Arial Black is right there. Then I'm going to click the arrow for the color field. That's right there. And I'm going to click green from the standard colors. Our standard colors are here at the bottom. There are two greens, a light green and a green. I'm going to click green and then OK. Now you see that I've got an internal use only green watermark on my page, and a watermark is something that will appear on the page so you can tell that it's authentic. Now I'm going to click the mark as answered. Move to the next one. Now I'm going to use the zoom level button to reduce the zoom to 60%. This is my zoom level. I'm going to reduce the zoom to 60%. Right here it says 95. I'm going to hit my down arrow to go to 60. And there we go. Click OK. And now I'm going to change the zoom back to 100. In order to do that, I know that I can just click right here in the middle of my zoom level bar to move in and out, and 100% is right there in the middle. Mark as answered. Now I'm going to click the Design tab, and in the Page Background group, so the Design tab, this is our Page Background group, click Page Color, and then click Olive Green Accent 3 Lighter 80%, and they're telling us that that is in the 7th column, second option. So these are our columns. This is column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And our seventh column, second option. Right there. Olive green, accent 3. Oh, right there. Olive green, accent 3, lighter 80%. Click that. It's going to change the color of our page. Then it says to click page color once more, and then click blue accent 1 lighter 60%. So it's in the 5th column, third option. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my first option, second option, and my third option. And if I hover, it's going to tell me blue accent 1 lighter 60%. And click. Then I'm going to click the page color once more and click no color. Then in the same group, I'm going to click Page Borders. You might remember this from Ice Cream Truck when we put an ice cream border on our page. In the Setting list, click Box. So this is my setting list. I'm going to click Box. And in the second panel, click the arrow for Art, and then click the gray diamond design. It's telling us it should be a bit more than halfway down the list. There's our ice cream cone. We're looking for the gray diamond. See where I've got that. Not quite. Keep going. I see stars. I haven't seen any diamonds yet. Is that it? Oh, there it is. Now if I click there, I've got the gray diamond. And then in the width field, I'm going to change this measurement to be 8 points. So right up above where I put my gray diamonds, I'm going to change the width from 12 to 8. And then I'm going to click OK. Now I'm going to change the zoom to be approximately 50%. So I can just click on my zoom level, about right here. And then I can see more of the borders there. And then to modify a page border, I'm going to click Page Borders once more. And in the preview area over here on the right, I'm going to click the border buttons for the left and right side to turn these borders off. Right now I've got all 4 borders on. And I'm going to click this is my top, this is the bottom, this is the left, and this is the right. So I'm going to click the left and the right side. And I can see in my preview that it's taken the left and the right side border away, and I only have the top and the bottom now. I'm going to click OK. And we can mark that as answered. Now I'm going to apply a style set. So on the Design tab, and we're still there, in the Document Formatting group, so this is our Document Formatting group right here, I'm going to click the More button. The More button is this. And if I hover over it, it tells me that's the More button, so it's the arrow below the arrow. The double arrow is the More button. So click on the More button. You'll be able to see the style sets, and you can move your cursor over some of the different styles, and it'll give you a preview down in your document without actually changing it. And then I'm going to click Shaded, and what I have to do is just hover until I find the shaded style set. And I'm looking. Casual Word, 2003 Word. Ah, shaded. So it's this one right here. I'm going to click on that to apply that style set. Now I can mark as answered. Then it says I should notice that different types of text change in color and font based on option defined in a theme. So let's say you like the green color used in the facet theme. We're going to click Facet in the list of themes. So here is my Themes button. I'm in my Design tab. I have Themes. I'm going to click the arrow, and then I'm going to click Facet. That's right here. And you'll notice my blue changed to green. Mark as answered, and submit. And that is the very last part of Lesson 4.